Concatenate is one of my favorite functions. It combines things like text, numbers, anything. Here in this example, I will show you how it works. Here we have two columns, first name and last name. And in my third column, I need to show the full name. That means first name and last name. For that, we can use concatenate function. First is equal to select the concatenate function, open bracket and select the first cell and comma and select the second cell, close bracket and press enter. So you will get the full name and drag down to all cells. But here we have a problem. There is no space between first name and second name. For that, open the equation after the first cell, put a space in double quotes and enter. Then we will get the full name with the space. Drag down the equation to all rows. Here comes the answer. Hope everyone understood the equation.